Look up. That warmth on your skin? That's our sun. A star among billions, but the one that gives us life. It's the heart of our solar system, a giant ball of fire that rises and sets, shaping our days and our existence. Inside, hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing energy that pushes outward, balancing gravity's pull. This nuclear fusion is the sun's heartbeat, fueling our world and making life possible. Light from the sun travels millions of miles, reaching us in just 8 minutes, warming oceans, powering weather, feeding plants. We are children of the sun, living proof of its power, but even stars have lifespans. Our sun is middle-aged, about 4.6 billion years old with another 5 billion to go. On a cosmic scale, that's just a chapter. The sun's story is one of birth, life, and eventually, death. The forces of physics are patient. One day the great change will begin, and the sun we know will never be the same. The sun's end begins when its hydrogen fuel runs out. Fusion slows, gravity takes over, and the core collapses. Helium builds up, pressure and temperature soar, and a new shell of hydrogen ignites around the core. The sun swells, growing brighter, larger, and redder. This is the red giant phase, a violent transformation, not a quiet fading. The sun's golden light turns menacing, its heat unbearable. Our once familiar star becomes a monstrous, looming presence in the sky. Earth's fate hangs in the balance as the sun's expansion accelerates. The final act of its long life is about to begin. The solar system will never be the same. The star that gave us life is about to change forever. As a red giant, the sun grows to hundreds of times its current size. Mercury and Venus are vaporized. Earth may be engulfed or scorched beyond recognition. Our planet becomes a lifeless cinder, sterilized by the star that once nurtured it. The sun's surface cools and reddens, its outer layers stretch into a hazy, fiery fog. For a time, a new balance is found as helium fuses into carbon and oxygen in the core. But this phase is brief. Helium burns quickly. When it's gone, the sun's final transformation begins. The outer layers drift away, leaving behind a dying core. The familiar sun is lost, replaced by a bloated, tenuous giant. The solar system is forever changed. The sun's last energy is spent. The end is near. With helium gone, the sun's core collapses again. Fusion ends, gravity wins. The dying star sheds its outer layers, creating a glowing planetary nebula, a cosmic ghost. This nebula, a beautiful bubble of gas and dust, glows with brilliant colors for a brief moment in cosmic time. The nebula expands, fades, and its material drifts into space, seeding the galaxy with elements for new stars and planets. The sun's death becomes the raw material for new beginnings. The cycle of creation and destruction continues. Our solar system is left with a breathtaking, temporary jewel, a final masterpiece. But even this beauty fades. The nebula disappears and only the core remains. The sun's story nears its end. What's left is a white dwarf, a dense, Earth-sized core, half the sun's original mass. It shines brilliantly at first, then cools for billions of years, fading from white to black. Eventually it becomes a cold, dark black dwarf, a silent tombstone in space. Some believe the carbon inside could crystallize, forming a planet-sized diamond. This is the sun's ultimate fate, from a furnace of life to a diamond in the dark. Its death sows the seeds for new stars and worlds. We are a fleeting moment in this cosmic cycle, able to witness and understand our star's destiny. In that knowledge, we find our place in the universe.